First thing to do when applying black pearl to your trim is always clean and rinse away any loose dirt that's around any corners or in the plastic. So the plastic is totally clean. This can be done with a normal APC, snow foam, and just a normal car wash. You just want to ensure that you clean away any dirt or anything like that, any loose dirt before starting. So just use your nice soft sash brush to agitate the area, agitate the coating, clean on the plastics. Try and get in and remove the loose dirt. Look at that, nice and dirty. You want to dry the surface and make sure that there's no water trapped around here or trapped around here, because you want the surface totally dry. You don't want any water to come out when we're applying black pearl. Because we don't want any water to come out when we're applying black pearl. The next step is to grab a clean cloth and either some IPA or a panel wipe like this G-Technic stuff I'm using today. You can just simply spray it onto the cloth, wipe down the surface using a small amount of pressure just to remove any bits, and go over it thoroughly, removing any previous dressings, oils or waxes that might be on the surface, because if there is any dressings on the plastic when you apply black pearl, it's not going to cure properly, and you won't get as long with the durability. The other step you may want to think about is masking off any paintwork or anything else that's near the trim to prevent any of the black pearl going on the paintwork. If it does go on the paintwork, it's not a problem. Simply wipe off with a damp cloth and then wipe again with a dry one. And again, it's not going to stain any of the paintwork and not going to do anything like that. But if you do want to mask it off, that's totally fine. So the main factors before applying black pearl are cleaning and removing your loose dirt, drying the surface, applying and cleaning using IPA or panel wipe, and if you like, taping off the area. I've got is one of our small little sample pots of matte. Give it a little shake, and I've got Meguiar's foam applicator. I know it looks dirty, but it is clean. It's obviously been previously applied with black pearl, and I quite like using these Meguiar's pads for plastics. It's a bit easier to get round in here. Any corner or thing like that is generally a bit easier than the roller. However, it's entirely up to you as to how you apply it. You don't have to use a foam roller, you don't have to use our foam applicators. And again, when applying black pearl, we do not need to loss of product. So all I'm going to do is just put a tiny bit on here, small amount. I'm just going to slowly apply it onto the surface. And you'll notice it might have a slight blue tint. Don't worry about that, it will dry clear. And don't worry too much about levelling it off, just so long as you make sure that you get the black pearl and push it into the surface. On a day like today where the sun's it's quite a warm day, it is going to cure quite quickly and disappear. And on warmer days you will find that when applying it evaporates quicker. Isn't it? Because it's water, isn't it?